Hi, hello, thank you, my friend, Brian Buna. Si Brian Buna. Salamat, idol, salamat sa pagbisita sa bahay ni Alice Mika Vlog. Tamsak, idol. Thank you so much, idol, bro. No, bro. Thank you. Live lang ako, idol, kasi yung habang antay ko sa alaga ko, alas 6 lalabas, wala pa naman. Kaya dito muna ako sa labas ang antay. Live muna ako sa dito. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Welcome, host. Thank you din po. Hello, Opa Anak. Opa Anak, thank you so much, my friend. Opa Anak, thank you for coming. Bangga sa Rangyo. Opa Anak, thank you so much. Drop your channel, my friend. Opa Anak, thank you. Thank you so much. Asa man to si Opa Anak yung Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Nice to meet you all. Nice to meet you all, Korean friends and global friends. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you all, Korean friends. Si si Opa Anak yun. Thank you so much, Opa Anak, watching. Si si Opa Anak. Thank you so much. Fighting, yes, fighting. Fighting. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Doon na yung sa unahan. Punta ka doon. Doon pa. Ganap ka dyan. Maraming Pinay dyan. Tanong ka dyan. Thank you. It's Prestige daw siya. Thank you so much. Si Opa Anak ko siya. Si Opa Anak. Thank you, my friend. Bangga sa Rangyo. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Thank you so much, Bruno. Thank you so much, Bruno. Thank you. Si ano pala to? Si Busan Seaside Fishing. Si Busan Seaside Fishing pala to. Busan pala to siya. Si Busan. Hello, Busan. Thank you so much. Busan. Si Busan Seaside Fishing. Thank you so much, my friend. To all my friend Korean, thank you so much. Kamsahamnida. Thank you for coming. Anyang sayo, kamsahamnida. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, guys. Bruno, salamat ha, Bruno. Thank you so much, Bruno. Bruno. Thank you. Lapit na lalabas yung alaga ko, guys. 5:37 na. 5:37. 5:37.